Letter L. The sound of letter L is L. L for ladybird. Lantern. Lamb. The story of Lucy's ladybird. She is Lucy. Lucy has a pet ladybird. She calls it Lucky. Lucky gets lost in the woods. Lucy looks for Lucky here and there. She sees some light. The light is from a lantern. There is a treasure box and a lamp covered with leaves. She picks the lamp and rubs it. Oh, what an amazing sight! The lock on the treasure box breaks open and Lucky, the ladybird, is sitting inside. Rhyme of letter L. Let's sing along. Ladybird got lost in a woods. Found a lamp and box on a leaf. Rub the lamp and open the box. Rub the lamp and open the box. Lucky's ladybird was in the box.